You know why I traveled so far? There's gonna be wind. You know why I traveled so far? Because it's worth it. You know, I'm thinking about sending a drone off of this balcony. Best apartment. I had done so well in securing this apartment. Apartments around here are not easy to find. Many are renovated to a standard. I mean, who knew I had standards? Okay, are we past the... Okay, we have to get past the jets. So anyway, in a couple days I'll find a wash and fold. And I'll have my clothes cleaned up. Let's turn everything off for the day, and this is gonna happen. I've stayed in a lot of places. This hasn't happened before. All right, what time is it? First video, first day. All right, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm really just getting going. Listen, it was so cold I wasn't getting out of bed. I'm going into those mountains. I'm hiking today. Oh, it's cold. There's a reason why nobody's here this time of year. What's the temperature?
It's 44 degrees right now.
That's it? I've seen no drone signs. This is as good a place as any. Okay, so I validated one time. Okay. Very good. Hey, thanks. Okay, he says that I validate the card one time here. Okay. All right, so here's the story. I got a pass, and this pass is gonna let us on trains all day. All right, I actually have a plan now. We're gonna take the train to Riomaggiore, and then we're gonna walk back. So we're gonna go through Manarola, Graniglia. Oh my God, Tony. Anyway, and then we're gonna come back to Vanessa. So for today, let's just give this a shot. Riomaggiore. Here's the deal. We need coffee. She's not going to be quiet.
Io so che davanti dopo 1 anno e 3 mesi, 4 o 5 mesi, magari uno aspetta, dopo 4 o 5 mesi dovrai chiamare. Loro devono chiamare ai primi, era già successo. Come mai signora non vengono pagati con
lavorettini sono già 2 per pagare 1 anno e 3 mesi, ma siamo persone semplici, perché
Io non so che davanti dopo
1 anno e 3 mesi.
4 o 5 mesi, magari uno aspetta, dopo 4 o 5 mesi te la chiamare.
Listen, she never quit complaining. However, let me explain something. Her complaining is what made it fantastic. Alright, so now I understand. This is the path that's closed. Here we go. Vacation drama or excitement, depending how you look at it. I just came here to launch the drone. Beautiful, right? I laid my things here. A gust of wind happened. My backpack has blown down there. So here's the immediate problem. I could care less. Here's the foreseeable problem. It's how I got here. I mean, a lot of the electronics were in the bag. I would need another bag in order for me to carry all my things. Not the biggest problem. There's a camera in there. I could care less. The backpack, I just don't know what else is in there. Camera. I don't care about the camera. I don't care about the backpack. I actually can't process right now what's in it, but I'm not going down there. Yeah, listen, it's not a vacation if I don't lose something. I'll know soon what's in there. I'm leaving this area, and I'm definitely leaving that behind. I can't get down there. It's not a trip if I don't lose something or screw something up, or it's not a trip.